Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to add Google Map in your WordPress website step by step. So let's get started. The first thing is that you simply need to you can either use Elementor Page Builder, the free version, or the premium version. But if you don't yet have it, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box below. So after that, let's say we want to add this Google Map on our contact page. This is it here. So okay, what you simply need to do is that you simply need to come here at the search bar. You simply search for what? Google Map. Okay, this is it here. You can decide to create a widget, yeah, or after creating a widget, you come back here, you search for the map. So you simply drag this one and place it here. So guys, as you can see, that's our Google Map already inserted. So you can decide to enlarge this, the width. Yeah, you can make it wider, so like that. Okay, once you are done with that, you can click on what's save. But if you want to change your location, you simply click here, click on this icon up here. You simply insert your new location here. Okay, let's say we want to insert this website location, that is Vianney Mobile. So come and copy this, copy it, come back here and paste it here, that is on location. So you are going to say it is going to automatically change. That's it. You can decide to zoom in. If you want to zoom in, you can also as well decide to zoom out. So that way, once you are done with that, you simply click on what? Update. So we are going to verify. Go back on our WordPress website. So we click on what? The contact page. Scroll down. So guys, this is our Google Map already added on our WordPress website, as you can see. So guys, that is actually the way you add Google Map in your WordPress website. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.